Here are the 6 ways through which you can monetize your Facebook and start earning dollars in Nigeria, part 2. In my last video, I showed you 6 ways through which Facebook will pay you for using its platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you the criteria to qualify for those 6 avenues. Note that this is beside the 6 or more other ways through which you can make money on Facebook by yourself. Number 1, you must have a Facebook page. I'm not talking about a Facebook profile turned into professional mode. For the purpose of those who don't know the difference and how it works, I will teach you that in a subsequent video. Number 2, in-stream ads. To qualify to earn with in-stream ads from top to bottom, you need to have posted at least 5 videos. Your videos need to have 60,000 minutes viewed. Your page needs to have at least 5,000 followers. You need to follow Facebook content monetization policy, and lastly, you need to live in an eligible country. Number 3, live ads. To qualify to earn with this, you must have 3 live videos in the last 90 days. You must have posted 5 videos in the last 30 days. 60,000 minutes viewed from live videos, 600,000 minutes viewed from all your videos. You have at least 10,000 followers. Follow Facebook content monetization policy and live in an eligible country. Number 4, subscription. To earn with subscription, you need to have 180,000 minutes viewed or 50,000 engagements, 250 weekly returning viewers or 10,000 followers. Then you must reside in an eligible country and follow Facebook content monetization policies. Stars, add-on reels, and bonuses are strictly by invitation based on your page's performance. Now, getting 5,000 followers, tens of thousands of minutes viewed, and engagement might seem daunting to a beginner, but it's pretty easy if you have the right information, so stick with me. In my next video, I will show you the 6 or more other ways in which you can make money on Facebook by yourself while building your audience. So subscribe to be notified, like and share this video with your family and friends to join us, and leave me a comment if you have any question. See you in the next one.